The traits of a wealthy individual, a simple guide. The concept of richness extends beyond mere financial wealth. It encompasses various aspects of a person's life. In this clip, we will explore the characteristics that define a rich person using simple words. From a rich mindset to a well-rounded life, we will delve into the qualities that contribute to a person's overall richness. 1. Positive mindset. A rich person possesses a positive mindset, focusing on abundance rather than scarcity. They believe in their abilities, embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, and maintain a hopeful outlook even in difficult times. This optimistic perspective enables them to attract success and embrace new possibilities. 2. Financial responsibility. Managing one's finances wisely is a key trait of a rich person. They prioritize saving and investing, maintain a budget, and avoid unnecessary debt. By making informed financial decisions and adopting a long-term perspective, they build wealth and secure their future. 3. Continuous learning. A rich person understands the value of knowledge and lifelong learning. They actively seek opportunities to expand their skills, stay informed about industry trends, and adapt to a changing world. By staying intellectually curious, they remain relevant and open doors to new opportunities. 4. Strong work ethic. Hard work is a common trait among the rich. They are willing to put in the effort and go the extra mile to achieve their goals. They are disciplined, persistent, and understand that success rarely comes without dedication and perseverance. 5. Effective time management. Managing time efficiently is crucial for a rich person. They prioritize their tasks, set goals, and minimize distractions. By maximizing productivity and focusing on important tasks, they make the most of their time and create opportunities for personal and professional growth. 6. Healthy relationships. A rich person recognizes the importance of nurturing healthy relationships. They surround themselves with supportive and like-minded individuals who inspire and motivate them. They also prioritize quality time with family and friends, understanding that true richness lies in meaningful connections. 7. Philanthropy and giving back. A rich person understands the value of giving back to society. They use their wealth and influence to make a positive impact on the lives of others. Through charitable acts and philanthropic endeavors, they contribute to the betterment of society, experiencing the true richness that comes from helping others. 8. Work-life balance. A rich person recognizes the significance of maintaining a healthy work-life balance. They prioritize self-care, engage in hobbies, and make time for relaxation. By finding harmony between their personal and professional lives, they experience a well-rounded richness that extends beyond material wealth. In conclusion, being rich encompasses more than just financial prosperity. A rich person possesses a positive mindset, practices financial responsibility, values continuous learning, exhibits a strong work ethic, manages time effectively, nurtures healthy relationships, engages in philanthropy, and maintains a healthy work-life balance. By cultivating these traits, individuals can experience a richness that transcends material wealth and leads to a fulfilling and abundant life.